and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm your host Ruchi Bharani. Today I'm going to be making a street style snack that is Masala Pattice Pav. So let's not waste any time and let's get cooking. I have 5 boiled and mashed potatoes here. Into this I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon ginger chilli paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon corn flour, salt to taste, and coriander leaves. Mix all these ingredients properly. This mixture is ready. Let's apply a little bit of oil onto your palm. Take a portion and give it a patty shape. I already have a pan over here that I've kept on heat. I'm going to place these patties to cook. Also in these patties you could even add boiled green peas, you could add steamed carrots and French beans, boiled corn, anything you wish. But I just wanted to keep it simple. So let's just finish this. Drizzle a little bit of oil to cook these patties. And cook them till they're nice and brown on both the sides. Let's flip them over. I've used very little oil to roast these patties. Let's check the other side. These are beautifully cooked on both the sides. Let's get it off the flame. Now, time to make the masala. So in the same pan, I'm going to heat up a little bit of butter. Once the butter has started to melt, I'm going to add in 1 onion finely chopped, cook this for a couple of minutes till they are nice and soft. The onions have been cooking for a couple of minutes. Into this I'm going to add half a capsicum finely chopped. Cook this as well for a few minutes. Next I'm going to add in 2 tomatoes finely chopped. With the tomatoes, I'm also going to add a few more ingredients, that are the spices. So 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala, also 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Give this a mix. Cook the tomatoes till they're nice and soft. And while these are cooking, I'm going to quickly make some marinated onions. I have 1 onion that I've shredded. Let's just remove it in this bowl. Also 1 piece of ginger, grated. Just squeeze out a little bit of the juice from the ginger and add the paste. Lemon juice, coriander leaves, Rub all these ingredients nicely over the onions and at least let it marinate for 30 minutes. This masala has been cooking. Mash it slightly. Add in around half a cup of water. Coriander leaves and give this a mix. This much masala is good enough for 6 patties pavs. The masala is well cooked. I'm just going to remove it in a bowl. And in the same pan, I'm going to quickly assemble the masala pav. Heat 1 teaspoon of butter. Once the butter melts, I'm going to add 2.5 tablespoons of the masala. You can pre-make the masalas, keep the patties ready and just do this part when you're ready to serve. Give this a mix. Don't let it cook for very long, just to warm up everything. Split open 2 pavs. Now let's dip them in the masala. Flip them over. Let the masala stick onto the pav. Cook it for 1 minute on each side. Flip it over. Let it cook on the other side as well. Once they are nicely cooked on both the sides, let's place the patty, some marinated onions, and fold these over. And this masala pav is ready to enjoy. Inspired from the streets of Mumbai, enjoy this buttery Masala Pattice Pav and do give it a try and let me know how it turned out. Till then, stay home, stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.